Skoda Fabia 2014. The problem, the yellow light was blinking, the yellow spring, and car is not possible to start. We have two fault codes, I write in description. And what was the problem? The problem was in ECU. We ordered the used one and connected to the car and take off the immo fault with all this. And why it's happening? For this time, a client was testing fault codes with this tool, and after this tool, fault code years, their car doesn't start anymore. And when we look with another diagnostic, we can't find any information in this ECU. No win code, no possibilities to code the control module. It looks like someone was read the soft in the ECU, and when they read or write the soft was corrupt, and some parts from EEPROM was deleted. That is how it looks from us. But in result, yeah, the problem starts with this tool. If it's possible, I don't know. Maybe it's happened, maybe sometimes it happened for us. Something like this is first time. Maybe someone knows something like about this type of problems, and you can write in comment section. Maybe you know someone who happened like us with this cheap client diagnostic tool. Maybe that's a problem. For this time, we think this is the problem, because we check the wires and everything is good, and swipe up the ECUs and the problem is gone. The ECUs stay in the right side of the car. This place. Yeah, this is the second hand ECU. Engine runs normally.